Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish pho. First, let's create the flavorful broth. Begin by simmering about 1 liter of vegetable stock with aromatics like a 2-centimeter piece of crushed ginger, 1 star anise, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 deseeded red chili. Let this gently simmer for approximately 20 minutes to infuse the flavors. Afterwards, strain the broth to achieve a clear, fragrant base, then stir in 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Next, prepare your main ingredients. Take about 350 grams of firm white fish, such as ling or cod, and cut it into medium-sized cubes. Set this aside. For the noodles, cook 80 grams of rice noodles according to the package directions until they are perfectly tender. Remember to bring your fish to room temperature before cooking to ensure even results. Now, let's assemble your delicious pho bowl. First, divide the cooked rice noodles evenly among your serving bowls. Then, add the prepared fish directly into the simmering broth and cook for about 5 minutes, or until it's just cooked through. Finally, carefully ladle the hot, aromatic broth, along with the tender fish pieces, over the noodles in each bowl. To complete your fish pho, it's all about the garnishes. Top your bowl with fresh herbs such as mint and coriander, along with finely chopped spring onions. For added texture and zing, include a handful of crisp bean sprouts, a fresh lime wedge, and some thinly sliced chili. Serve your pho immediately, offering extra fish sauce or hoisin sauce on the side for personalized seasoning.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.